Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK Daily Challenge of 26 June 2021. Here, this is the problem, diagonal grid pattern. Actually, I like all kind of pattern problems. If you have anything, you can share me. I will be happy to solve that problem. Okay, let's see deeply about the question. First, we will get the n input. Then we have to print the n number of grid patterns like this. On the first line, we just need to print one single asterisk, and then we should print the 2 cross 2 asterisk, and this is a 3 cross 3, and this is 4 cross 4. And this asterisk should be what printed in a diagonal way, like the starting point should be in a diagonal way. For that we need some hyphens to get this happens. This is nothing but the count of previous row. Like here the total number of count is 1, so we have print 1 hyphen. Here the total number of length is 3, so we have print 3 hyphens, and then we have print 6 hyphen, like that. Here this is nothing but a n into n plus 1 by 2 formula, which is nothing but a 4 plus 4 plus 5 by 2, which is nothing but 10. We got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Like here 5 cross 6 by 2 will be 15. This is nothing but sum of a natural number, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. Okay, that's all about the theoretical part. Let's see in a programmatical way. Here we need to get input, which is nothing but n, right? N equal to integer value, so I have taken int of input, and then I'm just taking a variable counter. Initially I give the value 0 because we need a 0 hyphen at the first line, right? And then I'm going to make a loop for I in range of 1 to n plus 1. Since we need a single asterisk at the first line, so I have mentioned 1 to n plus 1. So the loop will go from 1 to n value. And then I'm passing the inner loop j, which just go for I times. This is nothing but for the first time I need one loop, right? And then here this is for the second iteration, this is say 2 times. For the third line it's just 3 cross 3 matrix, right? So for that I'm initializing a loop for j in range of I. Inside this loop I'm just going to create a temporary list which contains C star hyphen plus asterisks are I. So now we got 0 into hyphen will give you 0 hyphens, and 1 into star will give you 1 star. That's for the first iteration. And the second iteration we should get the value of C is updated, right? So I'm just counter here, the counter value should be incremented with the value of I. Counter plus equal to I will give you value 1. So the counter will be updated as 1 and the I value should be 2, so we will get 1 hyphen and 2 star for the next 2 lines. And then we have to print the value of temp, which is separated by space. So if I save and run this program, we get the proper output: 1, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3. And I am doing this for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Think we can go 2 more times. 9. Yeah, that's perfect. This seems like some kind of stepping stones, right? That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Here, this is the code for your review. Hope we will meet soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.